Looking to start investing but not sure which app to choose? Don't worry, today we're breaking down the best investing apps for beginners in Europe. Whether you want to buy your first stock, invest in ETFs, or start with small amounts, I've got the perfect list for you. Let's jump in.
Section 1. What to look for in a beginner-friendly app. Before we get into the top apps, here's what really matters for beginners. Low or zero fees. Easy-to-use interface. Fractional shares, safe regulation, education tools, good customer support. Now that we know what to look for, let's get into the best apps available across Europe. Section 2. Best investing apps. Number 1. Trading 212. First up, Trading 212 Feet, one of the most beginner-friendly apps in Europe. App interface, charts, fractional shares. With commission-free trading, fractional investing, and a super clean interface, it's great for anyone starting out. They offer thousands of stocks and ETFs, plus an invest account and CFD account. Just make sure you stick to the invest section if you're a beginner. Pros: zero commission trading. Fractional shares. Easy to use. Cons: limited advanced research tools. Number 2, eToro. Next is eToro, the king of social trading. eToro app, copy trading demo. What makes eToro unique is its copy trading feature. You can literally copy the portfolios of successful investors. It's beginner-friendly, but also lets you explore crypto and commodities if you want. Pros: copy trading. Large community. Simple interface. Cons: higher spreads. Withdrawal fee. Number 3, Revolut. You might know Revolut as a banking app, but it's also great for beginner investing. Revolut's trading tab. With a clean design and easy purchase system, Revolut lets you buy stocks, ETFs, and crypto right from your banking app. It's ideal if you want to keep everything in one place. Pros: very intuitive. Fractional shares. All-in-one banking, plus investing. Cons: monthly trading limits in lower plans. Fewer stocks than dedicated brokers. Number 4, Degiro. If your priority is low fees and wide market access, Degiro is a top choice. Degiro charts markets list. They offer one of the lowest cost structures in Europe and access to tons of global exchanges. It's not the flashiest app, but its reliability and low fees make it fantastic for long-term investors. Pros: very low fees, huge international selection, professional reliability. Cons: no fractional shares, not the most beginner-friendly interface. Number 5, Bitpanda. For those who want a mix of stocks, crypto, commodities, and even precious metals, Bitpanda is worth checking out. It's made in Europe, regulated, and very simple to use. Great for beginners who want everything in one place. Pros: super easy interface. Wide range of assets. Suitable for beginners. Cons: fees can be higher than traditional brokers. Section 3, best app for you. So, which app should you choose? It depends on what you're looking for. Best for beginners, Trading 212. Best for social trading, eToro. Best for all-in-one banking plus investing, Revolut. Best for low fees, Degiro. Best for mixed assets, including crypto, Bitpanda. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, so try the apps and see which one feels right for you. Section 4, safety warning. Remember, investing always comes with risk. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and make sure the platform you choose is regulated in your country. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing videos, and drop a comment below telling me which app you're using. Thanks for watching and happy investing.